Welcome to day 19 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful stretching, a practice that helps us connect with our bodies, release tension, and cultivate awareness through movement. We often go through the day carrying physical tension without realizing it. By engaging in mindful stretching, we can create space in our bodies, ease discomfort, and bring our attention to the present moment. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Mindful stretching. Find a quiet place where you can move freely. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Set your intention before you begin stretching. Take a deep breath and set an intention for your practice. Whether it's to release tension, increase flexibility, or simply connect with your body, let this intention guide your movement. Step 2. Start with neck and shoulder rolls. Gently roll your shoulders up, back and down in slow circles. Then, tilt your head from side to side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Feel the stretch along the sides of your neck, moving with your breath. Step 3. Stretch your spine. Raise your arms overhead and gently stretch to one side, then the other. Return to center and slowly fold forward, letting your arms hang. Notice how your spine lengthens and relaxes with each movement. Step 4. Open your hips and legs. Sit or stand with your feet hip-width apart. Gently bend forward and reach for your toes, or do a seated butterfly stretch by bringing the soles of your feet together. Pay attention to the sensations in your hips and legs. Step 5. Finish with a full body stretch. Stand tall. Take a deep breath in and reach your arms upward. Stretch through your entire body, then slowly release as you exhale. Notice how your body feels lighter and more open. So, why does mindful stretching matter? It helps us release built-up tension, improve flexibility, and cultivate a deeper awareness of our bodies. By stretching with mindfulness, we strengthen the mind-body connection and promote relaxation. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful stretching make you feel? Did you notice any areas of tightness or relief? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 19 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's continue bringing movement and awareness into our daily lives. See you tomorrow for day 20. Stay serene and stretch with intention.